In this video, we'll show you how to refill your kitchen sink soap dispenser. When choosing a soap to use for your refill, it's important not to select a foaming hand soap. As you see here, this soft soap is just a general liquid soap that will work well with this dispenser. Refilling these dispensers is made super simple. Grab the head and simply pull it directly up. As you can see, in doing so, it pulls up the hose as well. This hose goes down all the way to the bottle that is connected underneath the sink. Taking our refill soap, we're now going to pour it directly into the hole. This is going to be a much easier way to refill the bottle than unscrewing it from the base of the sink. However, you will need to pace yourself, as if you try and put too much in at the same time, it will begin to overfill really quickly and it won't have enough time to seep down into the bottle. As it begins to fill up, and once you get close to finishing it, make sure you leave enough room for that plastic piece next to the head of the dispenser to go gently back down onto the insert. You really just don't want to overfill it, because if you do, it's going to be overflowing from the sides and it'll cause a mess for you. Once the tank has been filled, then you're going to gently take the dispenser and slowly push it directly back down onto itself. Now it is all complete. Give it a few pumps. You might have some excess soap from the last time still filtering through. That's totally fine. But now you are ready to go. And that is how you refill your kitchen sink soap dispenser. Thanks for watching.